Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and when I tell you it doesn't get any easier than this particular recipe, plus it's a play on one of my favorite recipes, and that's that Mississippi pot roast. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make Mississippi little smokies. Man, you want this at your next gathering. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients. Not many today, but this is a delicious appetizer, man. Whenever I have people over for like gatherings or either game day, this is one of my go-to appetizers each and every time, and you're gonna love it. So back here we have our little smoky sausages. We have some brown gravy here. Now this comes in the jar. Now if you wanna make your own brown gravy, you can, but I think you'll be doing a little bit too much there. This works well. Some pepperoncinis, I think I said that right. I always have a tough time saying that. Some of the juice from the pepperoncinis, and a package of ranch dressing mix. This is all you need. Let's get to it. So what we're gonna do to get started is like 2 or 3 steps. We're gonna add our ranch season mix here, along with our juice from our pepperoncinis. That's it, and we're just gonna get this baby a mix. All right, see that? Let's head over to our slow cooker. Just that easy. All right, so now we're gonna take our sausage, we're gonna add them to our slow cooker. Just like that. We're gonna take our gravy mixture and we're gonna pour it over our sausage like this. Next, we're gonna take our pepperoncinis, add them here. And all we're gonna do now is get that baby mixed up as much as we can. Just that easy. We're gonna take our top and we're gonna add it here and set it on low and let it cook for 4 hours. I'll see you guys in 4 hours. All right, so we are 4 hours in. Let's go ahead and remove our veil. And right there we have groceries. Y'all already know, straight groceries. We're gonna get that a mix. All right, let's go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. And guys, there you have it. Mississippi Little Smoky Sausage. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. So you know what time it is, quality control. We're gonna bring these smokies to the front of the congregation. Man, guys, listen. Very simple, quick and easy recipe. I don't even have a fork, but let's go in with our hands. Oh man. That pepperoncini, I hope I'm saying that right. That juice is infused in that sausage, man. It gives it a totally different flavor than you just frying it on your stovetop. And then along with that brown gravy, listen guys, I love it. And I love these pepperoncini. Man, I think I'm saying it wrong. Pepperoncini? Who cares? Oh, this adds the perfect saltiness to this dish. Listen, guys, great for game day or any gathering. Just throw this baby in a crock pot, let it go, sit it on the table, and I'm telling you, people be like, man, what you do with these little smokies? These babies good. Until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. We just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.